Tolifo Pt-64 LED camcorder light panel mounted on a video camera. What I really like about this is it was easy to set up. I could screw it into my video camera stand. I could also put it onto my video camera. It comes with two filters, a clear one and a kind of orange burgundy one. It does have 64 ultra bright LEDs that delivers a beam of optimum illumination. It is so easy to set up, and it really has a dimmer on it, so you can do half light or whole bright light. And you could put it on a monopod, you could put it on a tripod as well, and it works seamlessly, like completely seamlessly. Now you can purchase this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.